Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Smart English Podcast. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. It's great to be here with all of you again.
We are so happy you're joining us today. You know, sometimes you meet someone new or your friend asks you, "Hey, how was your day?" And you want to answer in English, but you don't know the right words. Does that happen to you?
Absolutely, Mia. It's a very common situation, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Our topic is talking about your day in English for beginners. We'll teach you some simple and useful phrases.
Yes, we want to help you feel confident when you talk about your day. So, Alex, let's start with you. How was your morning today?
Okay, my morning. Let's see. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. Wake up means you open your eyes, you are not sleeping anymore. So, I wake up at 6 a.m. Then, after about 10 minutes, I get up. Get up means you leave your bed.
Ah, that's a very important difference. So you wake up and then you get up. What do you do after you get up?
After I get up, I always make my bed. This means I make it neat and tidy, put the blankets nicely. Then I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth and I wash my face. These are typical things, right?
Yes, very typical. So brush my teeth and wash my face. Simple and clear. And then, do you have breakfast?
Yes, of course. I have breakfast every day. Today, I had some toast and coffee. Have breakfast means you eat your first meal of the day. You can also say eat breakfast. So, I had breakfast and then I got dressed.
To get dressed means you put on your clothes. Right, very useful phrase. So you woke up, got up, made your bed, brushed your teeth, washed your face, had breakfast, and got dressed. Wow, that's a lot for the morning.
It is. And after that, I left home around 8 a.m. Leave home means you go out of your house. I went to work. Go to work means you travel to your job. I usually start work at 9 a.m. Start work means your job begins.
Excellent. So leave home, go to work, and start work. All very important for your morning routine. What did you do at work today, Alex?
At work, I checked my emails. This means I looked at messages on my computer. Then I had a meeting with my team. Have a meeting means you talk with people about work. It was a good meeting. After that, I worked on a project. Work on a project means you spend time doing a specific task.
So you were very busy. Checked emails, have a meeting, work on a project. These are great phrases for talking about your job or even school. And what about lunch, Alex? Did you have lunch?
Yes, I had lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually have lunch at my desk, but today I ate out with a colleague. Eat out means you go to a restaurant to eat, not at home. It was nice to eat out and chat.
That sounds lovely. So have lunch or eat out. Good. And then how was your afternoon at work?
The afternoon was busy too. I made some phone calls and I finished my project. Make phone calls means you talk to people on the phone. Finish my project means I completed the work. I was happy to finish my project.
Great job, Alex. So you made phone calls and finished your project. What time did you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock. Finish work means your job day ends. Then I went home. Go home means you travel back to your house. I usually take the bus to go home. Today the bus was on time.
Okay, so finish work and go home. Perfect. What do you usually do in the evening after you get home?
When I get home, first I usually relax for a bit. Relax for a bit means I take a short rest. Maybe I read a book or just sit quietly. Then my wife and I make dinner together. Make dinner means you cook food for the evening meal. We like to make dinner together.
That sounds like a nice routine. So relax for a bit and make dinner. And then, do you eat dinner together?
Yes, we always eat dinner together. Eat dinner is the same as have dinner. After eating dinner, sometimes we watch TV or we listen to music. Sometimes we just talk about our day.
Oh, that's exactly what we're talking about today. So you eat dinner, watch TV, listen to music, or talk about your day. These are all great things to do in the evening. And finally, how do you end your day, Alex?
Well, around 10 o'clock, I usually get ready for bed. This means I wash my face again, brush my teeth again. Then I go to bed. Go to bed means you get into your bed. And I usually fall asleep very quickly. Fall asleep means you start sleeping.
Fantastic! So get ready for bed, go to bed, and fall asleep. Those are the final steps of your day. Thank you for sharing your day with us. It was very helpful.
You're welcome. I hope it helps our listeners understand how to talk about their day. We used many simple verbs and phrases.
Yes, and now let's talk about how to describe your day. How would you describe your day today using just a few words?
I would say my day was busy but productive. Busy means I had a lot to do. Productive means I did a lot of good work.
Great examples. So you can say, my day was busy, or my day was productive. You can also say, my day was good if you had a nice day, or maybe my day was relaxing if you didn't do much.
Yes, or if you had a difficult day, you could say, my day was a bit challenging, or my day was a little bit stressful. But let's hope most of your days are good.
Exactly. So, dear listeners, practice these phrases. Try to think about your own day and use these words to describe it. You can start with simple sentences like, I woke up at 7 a.m., I had breakfast, I went to work, I finished work at 5 p.m., I ate dinner, I went to bed.
The most important thing is to start practicing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just try to use these words and phrases in your daily life.
That's all the time we have for today's episode. We hope you found this episode helpful for learning how to talk about your day in English. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Yes, and if you want to keep learning English with us, please make sure to like this video. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new episodes. We have new lessons every week.
Also, tell us in the comments below, what was one thing you did today? Use some of the phrases we taught you. We love to read your comments.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll see you next time on the Smart English Podcast. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.